What are you up to? I'm just gonna make some food, man. You wanna make something with me? You wanna join me? Alright. I'm gonna go this way. Burrito! What'd you say to me, chicken? Rice is my favorite vegetable and fruit. Ranch salt. See, it's salsa ranch. And ranch. Slide it. And the universe is always expanding, you know what I'm saying? It never ends. You've been here the whole time? Gotta make it a little spicy. Wrap it in bacon. Here's your burrito. Oh, what's up, man? How you guys doing? You wanna cook something? I'm gonna cook something.